Working on my customer's over-the-range microwave right now. It's not turning on. It's not starting. I tested it out. It is getting voltage. It's still not starting. Came to the fuse box. Most of my fuses are working correctly, except when I tested this. I'm getting an OL. So let's fix this. All right, let's take out our manual. You gotta look at this real quick. This can kill you, so be careful. And this one's bad. Can't visually tell, but I can see it through the meters. Let's check the bag and see if we have any. Customer might have got lucky. Let's see. I found one, but I don't think it's gonna work. It's significantly smaller. They're both 250, 20 amps, but this is 20 amp, 250 volts, both of them, but one's so much smaller. I'm gonna test this baby out next. Be very careful when handling microwaves. Also, this capacitor is out. Capacitor is out. So even if I replace the fuses, it would have blew again. All right, we got the new parts here. It does take 2 hands to install, so we're gonna get to it. Yep. Gonna test it out with a cup of water. All right. Sounds nice. Let me put this frame back. It sounds nice, doesn't it? That's good. Let's see if the cup gets hot, though. Almost burnt my finger testing it out. Customer is good. Let's put this frame. I forgot to get a video of the microwave, but it's good to go. It's a view you can see.